Kerala Education Act 1958 have dance sections A 32, B 38, C 41, D 39. Answer D 39. The minimum number of pupils required sanctioning 3 posts of FTM in a high school. A 1500, B 1000, C 700, D 2100. Answer A 1500. Specialist teacher appointed in a lower primary school after dash and whose appointment is approved shall be allowed to continue till his retirement. A 15/7/1989, B 6/3/1979, C 1/6/2011, D 25/6/2005. Answer B 6/3/1979. The prescribed dimension of a classroom in a high school. A 6.5 meter into 6.5 meter into 3.7 meter. B 6x6x3.2 meter. C 6x6x3.7 meter. D 6x6x3.5 meter. Answer C 6x6x3.7 meter. Number of admissible posts of HST English in a high school having 14 division altogether from standard 8 to 10 will be A 4, B 2, C 3, D 1. Answer C 3. The date of effect of the staff fixation orders shall be the dash every year. A 1st June, B 1st July, C 15th July, D 15th June. Answer C 15th July. The sanctioning authority of casual leave to headmaster of an LP school is A the headmaster himself, B PTA, C manager, D assistant education officer. Answer D assistant education officer. When an aided primary school is closed down, its records and accounts have to be handed over to the A manager, B Grama Panchayat, C assistant education officer, D deputy director education. Answer C assistant education officer. The average minimum effective strength of people required per standard for not withdrawing recognition of a school. A 15, B 25, C 10, D 12. Answer A 15. Number of school buildings shall be situated within a distance of dash meters from a public burial place or public cremation ground. A 200, B 183, C 150, D 50. Answer D 50. In the authority to publish the Education Department calendaries, A government, B Director of General Education, C Director Printing, D Director SCRT. Answer B Director of General Education. The management of an aided school can be taken over by the government for a period not exceeding dash years. A 10, B 3, C 2, D 5. Answer D 5. The time limit for filing appeal against an order declining previous permission for change of management involving change of ownership of an ideal school is dash days or months. Answer D 30 days. If the date of superannuation of a teacher falls within 1 month from the date of reopening of the school, he will be on dash from the reopening date till he gets superannuated. A special leave, B. Leave preparatory to retirement. C. Commuter leave. D. Superannuation leave. Answer A. Special leave. Manager withheld the annual increment of an upper primary school teacher for 6 months and the assistant education officer rectified it. The authority competent to file appeal against it. A. Director of General Education. B. District Education Officer. C. Assistant Education Officer. D. Deputy Director Education. Answer B. District Education Officer. Qualified teachers who are leaved as per Rule 49 or 52 or on account of termination of vacancies shall have preference for appointment to future vacancies. The rule provides this benefit in Chapter 14A of KR is A. 43, B. 51B, C. 51A, D. 45. Answer C. 51A. If an upper primary school with standard 5th to 7 have 36 periods for Sanskrit, the number of full-time LG Sanskrit teacher post admissible is A. 2, B. 1, C. 3, D. 4. Answer A. 2. The authority to approve school sites and plans for the construction of and structural alterations to school building is A. Deputy Director Education, B. Engineer District Panchayat, C. District Education Officer, D. Assistant Education Officer. Answer C. District Education Officer. Teachers who have attained the age of dash years shall stand exempted from acquiring test qualification. A. 50, B. 38, C. 56, D. 43. Answer A. 50. A condition of service of teachers and non-teaching staff of recognized unaided school are laid down under chapter dash of KRs. A. 14A, B. 14B, C. 14A, D. 14C. Answer C. 14A. If the education agency has only one upper primary school, the amount of financial guarantee will be Rs. A. 2000, B. 750, C. 1500, D. 1000. Answer C. 1500. Minimum effective strength of people required to get a special teacher post in the upper primary section of a school is A. 500, B. 300, C. 1000, D. 200. Answer A. 500. For promotion as part-time high school teacher in a particular language, first preference shall be given to A. Specialist teacher, B. Regular primary teacher, C. Lower grade teacher in that language, D. Lower grade teacher in any language. Answer C. Lower grade teacher in that language. Appointment of qualified hands shall be deemed dash till they are confirmed. A. Probationary, B. Substantive, C. Officiating, D. Acting. Answer D. Acting. Appellate authority for filling appeal against an order approving the seniority list of teachers by an assistant education officer. A. Government, B. District Education Officer, C. Deputy Director, D. Director of General Education. Answer B. District Education Officer.